Utthita Parsvakonasana, side angle pose, you may wish to have a block handy. So let's place it at the left side of your mat to start. And we'll start standing in Tadasana in the center of the mat. From here, step the feet wide apart so that the outer edges of the feet are as wide apart as the wrists when you extend the arms. From here, hands come to hips. Draw the right toes in 45 degrees from the back edge of your mat and the left toes out so that the toes are pointing straight ahead. See that the knee is lined up with the second toe. From here, inhale, lift the side chest, and exhale, bend the front knee. So this setup is a lot like Virabhadrasana 2. Inhale here. Exhale, extend the arms wide apart. Inhale, lift the heart. And exhale, keeping the hips where they are, send the torso over the front leg as far as you can. And then you can choose to rest your elbow onto your thigh. And then the top hand can come to the hip. And this is the first stage of the pose. We'll draw the sternum toward the ceiling. Keep the left buttock tucked under. And then, if it's accessible for your body, take your hand to the top of the block. In Utthita Parsvakonasana, we're looking for a straight line from the shoulder to the hip to the outer edge of the ankle. So with your hand on the block, press your arm into your leg and press your leg into your arm, creating stability there. Draw the left hip down toward the earth and curling the left buttock under. Extend the right arm overhead and flip the palm so that it faces forward, and then reach the arm over. Breathing here. To come out of the pose, engage your quads strongly, press into the root of the left big toe and the outer edge of the right foot to inhale and come through Warrior 2, Virabhadrasana 2, then straighten the leg. Hands come to the hips, toes come forward. We'll place the block at the other edge of the mat for the opposite side. Drawing the left toes in, 45 degrees, right toes out. Inhale here. Exhale, keeping the knee in line, stacked directly over the ankle. A lot of times the knee tends to scoot this way, so keep the knee directly over ankle. Straighten the back leg, engage the quad. Inhale, extend the arms to the sides. Exhale, reaching toward the side, and then right elbow comes to right thigh. Hand can come to the hip, opening the sternum forward. And if it's appropriate for you, find your block. And see that the leg is pressing into the arm is pressing into the leg. This helps to engage the entire area, the groin, the inner thigh, the hip. Bring the arm overhead, face the palm forward, and then reach over the ear. Hooking the right buttock under, drawing the right hip down and back, extending strongly through the left leg. And then if it's appropriate for your neck, if your chest is open, you may have space to gaze up toward the sky. And then watch this lower shoulder. See that it is pressing strongly into the block to draw the shoulder away from your ear. Inhale, engage the abdominals to come up through Virabhadrasana 2. And then up to standing, toes point forward, hands to the hips. And return to Tadasana. Utthita Parsvakonasana, side angle pose. Namaste.